Hi friends, this is Pallavi Mohan and today we'll be discussing 5 points in sales which will be benefit for you in this COVID time. You will get great sales. However, all these 5 points needs to be practiced. Please note them down. Well, the first one is number of transaction versus value of transaction. Second, online versus offline. Third, B2B versus B2C. Fourth, new customer versus old customer. Fifth, automation versus technology and technology. Now, the first one is number of transactions versus value of transaction. A simple example, salt. Whatever salt I put in my food, I won't keep on increasing the value of it, right? So a person cannot sell me number of packets more. So in this case, the number of transactions cannot be more. Well, the value could be more. Now let's take another example like mobile phone or a laptop or some electronic device. Now upscale and cross sale can definitely be done. If you're buying a mobile device, definitely you can add on a power bank or a headphone or something like that. Or the price of the mobile phone can be more because there are various ranges which come under 10,000, under 50,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh. Same is the case with other devices which are attached to it. So how much that value would increase as well. So either you increase the number of transaction. If you cannot increase the number of transaction, increase the number of value by either of the steps. Either upsell to the person or cross sell to the person. So that was your first point in sales. The second one is online versus offline transaction. Now I remember my days in Philips. That was my first job, sales, and that too was so happening because every time my boss and myself used to do sales, I used to feel so happy. Although we did a lot of promotions which were like the flat screen television or the digital cameras which used to come in. That was way back in 1997. However, sales offline mode was that I used to sell in only one single shop. So now that was an offline mode. Today's time is no longer offline. People will definitely go online and thus you have to be present online, both in digital marketing mode as well as in actual mode. When I say actual mode, it means Flipkart, Amazon, where there are various other engines where you could go and buy your products. So that is one category of online. Now if there is a problem, where would a person report? So there comes your digital marketing. So the services can not only be done on a phone call, but it can also be done through online mechanism. A person tweets and you retweet back so that you're able to help out. So you have to keep that mechanism handy. The service has to be online as well. So this is your offline versus online mode and you have to be present both places. Now let's move to the third category. So I hope you have noted the first 2 points. Now please request you to note the third point, which is B2B versus B2C sales. In COVID time, there are a lot of people which are about to start their own businesses. What about them? Are they looking for buying gadgets? Yes, they are definitely doing that. Now on the contrary, B2B sales. Well, if there are some CSR initiatives and somebody has to buy laptops for education, for giving it to kids, why? Because online education is also taking place. So laptops and desktops and electronic devices are required. So it's a B2B category as well. I remember when I was working for 3 to 4 years in Samsung, we were also doing CSR. Now when the laptops of Samsung got over because we closed the division, we started purchasing laptops from other divisions, other brands. Why? Because we were bothered about the customer service which was there. The rest follows. If our product is not there in the category, we will move on. So like that, there are a lot of companies which will be buying electronic devices. So one has to follow a B2B mechanism as well as a B2C. That goes without saying. So that was your third category. Now your fourth category in sales particularly for the success. Now new customer versus old customer. Well, this is nothing new. However, if I just put it in digital marketing format, your old customer, yes, they will stay with you. You can do a phone call, you can follow certain particular routines and that person will stay with you. But what about the new generation? They're starting a lot of businesses and you definitely want them to buy your product. Now the answer to it is digital marketing. The new customers can be, got by social media and marketing in such particular online channels. So definitely one has to have an all new department which will be concentrating on the new customers. So that was your fourth category in sales, which will definitely get you success. The fifth is the one which will get you success not only now but also later, and you have to go with it, which is basically automation and technology. So now when we say technology, it is AI, artificial intelligence, it is augmented reality, virtual reality. So artificial intelligence, VR, virtual reality, AR, augmented reality. All these three are important and you have to see where it fits in. Automation like Salesforce, like a lot of other things has to be automated in your company. So that is one more module which will get you increased sales. So these are the 5 steps, and one if does in the company, your sales would go really up high and grow further and further. So enjoy those 5 steps. Do definitely tell me how did you like my channel, and definitely subscribe and like. Thanks for now. Take care.